Hi students, one more 5-mark question for you. The name is PTH, that is called as parathyroid hormone. Coming to the introduction point, we have 3 points. Introduction part, it is a single chain of polypeptide with 84 amino acids. Sometimes very rarely they are asking in MCQ. Second one is, you know that it is secreted by the chief cells which is present in the parathyroid gland. One more cell is occipital cells. Second one is chief cells. This parathyroid hormone is secreted by chief cells of parathyroid gland, which is embedded in the thyroid gland. And the normal value of this one is 10 to 60 nanogram per liter. Nanogram per liter. This is the introduction. Second one is, this is stimulated. Usually the synthesis and secretion of parathyroid hormone is stimulated by low level of calcium in our blood. Whenever the calcium level is low, means automatically the parathyroid will be increased. Already we discussed this calcium regulation. One more separate video, we already discussed about the role of parathyroid hormone in calcium level. Here the question is parathyroid hormone. So for this parathyroid hormone also, the secretion and synthesis of this PTH is stimulated by low level of calcium in blood. We have 3 main organs for the action of parathyroid hormones to maintain the blood calcium levels, right? One is bone, another one is intestine, third one is kidney, right? All the 3, how it will stimulate or how it will increase the synthesis of blood calcium level and how it maintains or regulates the calcium. Here the first one is bone. The important 3 points in bone. One is demineralization of bone, which actually increases the osteolytic pattern. So the demineralization of bone, that is, which it stimulates the osteoclastic production. This osteoclastic increases the synthesis of pyrophosphatase in osteoid cells. Very important MCQ. Pyrophosphatase stimulation or increased synthesis of pyrophosphatase by osteoclasts. Second one is, it secretes lactate. What is the role of lactate? Into the surrounding medium, which solubilizes or ionizes the calcium and increases the level of calcium in blood, right? Third one is, it releases collagenase, important third point for bone, that is collagenase from osteoclasts. So by the loss of matrix and resorption of bone, it increases the blood level of calcium, right? Loss of matrix, it prevents the loss of matrix and it resorption of bone. Resorption, you know the meaning of again reabsorption of the bone debris and increases the level of calcium. The last one is, it always decreases the uptake of calcium and phosphate by bone, right? This parathyroid hormone always decreases the calcium and phosphate uptake, which increases the blood level calcium. This is for bone, right? Next, coming to the kidney, important mechanism is formation of calcitriol. That is, 2 hydroxylation occurs, one in liver and another one is kidney. In kidney, the parathyroid hormone stimulates 1 hydroxylation of 25 hydroxycholecalciferol. 25 hydroxycholecalciferol in kidney to produce calcitriol. This parathyroid hormone decreases the renal excretion of calcium and increases the excretion of phosphate, right? Coming to the intestine, mechanism is same, that is formation of calcitriol. Actually, formation of calcitriol already we discussed in the role of calcium and role of vitamin D, like that. Okay, so you have to combine these 3 altogether, that is calcium regulation, vitamin D regulation and parathyroid hormone action. Okay, so in intestine, the mechanism is formation of calcitriol. It also increases the synthesis of calcitriol, vitamin D, and indirectly increases the calcium absorption from intestine, right? So very simple question, but very important, repeatedly asking 5-mark question. Okay.